is Marilyn Patalitan, Filipino, 27 years old, married. I have 1 children. My husband work is a farmer. I have 5 brothers, 2 sisters. I have 5th in the family.
Good day to you, Miss Marilyn. How are you right now?
Sir, madam, I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, what do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Must be honest, patient, and hardworking.
So how will you avoid your homesickness?
Sir, madam, I will focus to my job and always call to God.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
Sir, madam, you must treat them as your own children and give them proper food, medicine, and think about every day.
Okay, what if you committed mistakes? What to do?
Sir, madam, I will say sorry and I will promise I will not do it again.
Okay, what is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, please hire me as your maid and I promise to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Marilyn, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Thank you, sir, madam.